And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Let's check in with KTK meteorologist John Adams. John, it was a little cloudy this morning, so are we going to see any showers today, or is it just going to be sun later on?
We're going to have both. We're going to have some sunshine, but that sun's going to work on this very warm and humid air mass that we have and kind of stir the atmosphere, and so it'll create a few isolated showers, maybe occasional thunder in the area as well. So yes to both questions. Here's a look at Tyler right now. We're showing 84 degrees, south winds at 14 miles per hour. That relative humidity is at 74%. Of course, we've had quite a bit of rain lately, and we're going into summer on Friday officially. So far in June, we are above normal on rainfall. Tyler by about 2 2/3 of an inch. Longview already has nearly 3 inches above normal for the month of June, and Lufkin has over 3 inches above normal for the month of June. So we're in pretty good shape heading into what is typically the driest part of the year, the summer. Satellite and radar shows we do have a front to the north. That's helping to kick off some thunderstorms up in Oklahoma. Some of those were strong enough to be declared severe. Here in East Texas, just a little bit of activity south of the Red River there and scattered clouds throughout much of the rest of our East Texas area. Now, Futurecast shows that as we go up to the noon hour here in less than an hour, we'll see some pop-up showers and thunderstorms up along the I-30 corridor in the north, and up to about 3 o'clock, most of that activity is going to run north of I-20. Later on in the latter part of the afternoon, we could see showers and thunderstorms spreading a little bit further to the south, and that'll go through about sunset tonight. By 10 o'clock, most of the showers are over for East Texas, and they should be ending before midnight as that front works its way into the I-30 corridor. There is a slight risk that some of those storms could become severe with damaging thunderstorm winds and hail along that I-30 corridor in the north, and a marginal very low risk down to about Palestine, Jacksonville, Henderson, and Carthage that could extend into the northern sections of deep East Texas. Right now, our temperatures are in the 80s. We'll be headed up to the 90s this afternoon, and we, of course, have that humidity with the dew points in the 70s, so that heat index going to be up between 95 and 100 for most of East Texas. The actual forecast temperatures this afternoon should be in the upper 80s, and most of them up into the lower 90s. Now, the next 7 days, normally we're about 91 degrees, and we're not going to stray too far from that with our highs over the next 7 days, so things pretty much normal that we expect to see this time of the year. As we look ahead to today's forecast, it'll be partly cloudy. We're going to go with a 20% chance of those pop-up showers and thunderstorms with a high near 91 degrees, south winds about 10 to 15. Tonight, partly cloudy, south winds at 10 with a low of 76 degrees. And tomorrow, nothing really is going to change. We'll have a high around 92, partly cloudy. Those pop-up showers and thunderstorms should be visiting us once again. Here's the next 7 days, and you see 20% on the chance of rain Wednesday and Thursday. Not totally zero, but less than 10% Friday and Saturday, and then isolated storms will be popping back in there Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Temperatures still topping out in the low 90s with lows in the middle 70s. Deep East Texas, your chance of rain is a little bit higher, and it will carry at least a 20% chance over the next 7 days. Other than that, the chances of rain are going to run about 30% at the most. High temperatures in the 90s and lows in the 70s. Check that forecast anytime. It's at KETK.com.
John, thank you. The Ellen